Changing your phone number on Robinhood is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled personal information or account information. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Update phone number. Find the section for your phone number. Enter your new phone number and ensure it is correct. Step 5. Verify your new number. After entering the new phone number, Robinhood will send a verification code to that number. Enter the code in the app to confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated in your Robinhood account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood support for assistance.